Hey Hack Kids! Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to drum along to your favorite songs. You guys can use anything to follow along. Chopsticks work great, and regular old sticks work just fine as well. If you remember my haiku video from 2 weeks ago, we talked about syllables and how each individual sound makes up an important part of the structure of the poem. Songs are pretty similar in that they are broken down into little sections called measures, and within each measure is a certain number of beats. The most common time signature used in music is 4/4 time, which has 4 beats in each measure. You might recognize the song that's playing in the background right now. It's an example of a song in the 4/4 time signature. Now, the hardest part about drumming isn't actually the drumming itself, surprisingly. It's learning how to identify which part of the song to drum on. That's the part we're going to focus on in this video. Before we begin, I'm going to teach you guys the most basic drumming pattern I know. This pattern is super easy and only has 2 parts to it. First, take the stick in your right hand and tap it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to be focusing on your tempo, which means learning to tap out these beats at a regular and consistent pace. Try doing that a couple times until you can hit those 4 beats consistently. Let's try it again, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second part, we're going to add in our other hand and tap it on every 3rd beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Simple, right? I say it's simple, but learning to coordinate between 2 different hands can actually be really hard. Take your time in practicing one hand at a time, and you'll pick it up eventually. You'd be doing that by breaking it down into those 2 steps I taught you. First, the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally adding in the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With this drumming pattern in hand, let's work out where in a song to drum. Let's listen to a bit of a song together, shall we? The tough part about figuring out where to drum is figuring out where each measure starts. Every single measure in this song uses the same 4 beats, but it can be tough to figure out where each measure begins and ends. Learning this technique also takes a bit of practice, but you can usually figure it out by listening to the song itself. Actually, if you haven't noticed already, you might have actually realized that this song uses the exact same drumming pattern that I just taught you. On every 3rd beat, the drummer hits their snare drum, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. By listening carefully, you should eventually be able to pick out the first beat of each measure. Once you do that, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4 to drum to your favorite songs. Be warned though, not every song will be in 4/4 time. Another common time signature is 6/8 time. If you find a song that you have to count more than 4 times per measure, you'll probably have to use another drumming pattern than the one I taught you to play along with it. What did you think of this video? I'd love to see your drumming skills, so be sure to post a picture or video of your drumming onto our Facebook page. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our super duper ultra fun hack content. We only have a month left in this year's school year, so let's finish it off strong. See you later. Bye.